is runner-up in the 4K today, John Davison. John, tell us about your race. It was kind of windy out there.
Oh, I don't mind the wind. Everybody's got to run in the same weather, you know, so no such thing as bad weather, only weak people. So, yeah, it was a good day. It's you know, it's relatively warm for a November day, that's for sure. So it was a great race. It was a great race.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day for running. So what brings you to the Big Bird race?
Oh, one of my guys, I coached the St. Clair High School cross country team, and one of my guys was coming down, so he asked me if I wanted to come down. So I figured I'd come down and whoop on him. So he's one of my younger guys. He's just a sophomore, Andrew Jazowski. So yeah.
Okay, well, thanks very much for talking to us, and congratulations on a great run today.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
First of all, what brings you out to this race dressed in suits?
Well, we've been running for a number of years now, and I had a little trouble training this summer because of my back. I thought, well, if we don't run well, we should look well. Just spice it up a little bit.
Sure. And how about you?
Same reason. Just, you know, I'm not going to look good running in running clothes, so I thought I'd spice it up.
Does it slow you down or make you go faster?
I felt good. As long as I could move the legs. I usually overdress for these kind of things. I think it actually was perfect.
Okay. How about you, Derek?
Felt good. Breezy.
Yeah.
It was
breezy.
nice. Yeah.
It is breezy today.
It is, yeah.
Great day, though.
Yeah. Well, congratulations on making us all pay attention, and thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
You're on, huh? What happened? What's up, Andrew?